What is going on, fellow MTB shredders? Today we're going to be building one of the last features on my backyard mountain bike trail. We're going to be building a skinny across a 3-foot deep creek. Basically, like I said in that quick intro, we're going to be building a skinny jump, North Shore bridge, whatever you want to call it, across this big part of this creek in our backyard. So over here, we have all the big features right off the rolling, and then we have the two main trails, which really there's only 3 trails right now. Thornbush, that goes that way. Creek's Edge, which goes that way, and then down by the street I have a trail that I call Rocker Now, which is basically a creek kind of like this that I ride through for some good tech practice. And then we have a line that we built a few videos ago. I'll have that video linked down in the description below. We're off the rollin'. Instead of going straight down Thornbush off the North Shore drop to the wall ride, all that stuff, right before there you take a left and you come down this awesome little skinny we built. Super sketchy, super fun, but right after you get off that, you just slam on your brakes before this creek. And I mentioned in that video, I believe, and in my last video where we rode all the current trails in my backyard, that you just have so much speed off this little skinny. You can pump down it. You got this basically roller right here that rain slowly made as it washes through, and you have so much speed, and I don't want to waste that. So like I mentioned a few videos ago, I'll have all those videos linked down in the description. Like I said, we're going to be building a creek, kind of basically some sort of skinny jump. I don't know what we're building yet, but something that's going to allow you to take all the speed, get you across the creek, and then in the next video we're going to be hand cutting beautiful single track through my backyard on a new trail. So for actually building wherever we're building to get across the creek, I don't have many materials, but I have this 2x4. I think I'm gonna have to make some sort of brace with this old log, and then I have this board which will act as our second support to get you all the way across, and then I have some old decking over there. Right here, this is kind of my old scrap pile. I have some old plywood. I don't think we're gonna be using any of this in this project, but I have all these old deckings off, deck boards off an old ramp. We should have plenty. If not, I can actually cut them in half, which will just make it even sketchier, but we'll find a way to make it work. Let's get building. I think it's still working. Well, this thing turned out, I mean, 10 times better than I thought. It is so stable. I mean, look at it. I'm just, so stable, so strong. I'm gonna work making the dirt kind of transition on and off a little bit smoother, and I'm gonna make a little bit of a dirt roller down that skinny so it's much smoother. This thing is epic, and now we can cut the single track on this side of the house. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If y'all enjoyed the videos, I would love if you'd smash that subscribe button. I will see y'all on the next MTB adventure. Until next time, peace out.